Today at Garfin's Creation, let's turn this dry fish into delicious fish curry. This dry fish curry can be had any time of the year, and you can make it with any of the dry fishes. So let's start with the dry fish first. This is the dry Surmai fish. These are usually dried with lots of salt in it. So to make the curry, I'll just cut off the tail first. We'll be making smaller pieces of this fish. So I'll just cut it from the center and make smaller slices. You can also use Bangda fish or any other dried fish for this recipe too. You can cut the desired size of this fish. I won't be taking the head, so I'll be just taking the fleshy part and will be discarding the head. If you prefer, you can keep the head as well. If there are any fins, just get rid of them too. Once you've cut the fish into smaller pieces, we need to soak it. It will help in removing the excess salt from the fish and will also make the fish a little fleshy too. So just add in enough hot water into the fish. I've just taken a few slices just to make enough curry for two. And we need to keep this now for at least half an hour to soak. If you're not using the entire fish, you can ziplock it and keep it in the fridge. To make the gravy, we need to grind a green masala paste. Listed the ingredients here and mentioned in the description box as well. Take in 1 small onion, 1 inch ginger piece, few cloves of garlic, 3 green chillies, mint leaves, and coriander leaves too. So this is just 1 cup of coriander leaves. That was for the measurement. We also need to grind into this Tsp Haldi and Dhanya powder too. So we need to grind all these ingredients with just a little water. And this is the green masala paste you get after grinding. Along with the masala paste, we'll also be adding some veggies. Just take in a little white onion, 1 small tomato, and 2 green brinjals. You can definitely increase all these ingredients too. Just chop the brinjal and tomato and keep it ready. So now let's start preparing the fish curry. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. As the oil is hot, add in the green masala which we had just ground. Now we'll fry this masala for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring it and keep cooking it till it gets a little bit dry. As you keep stirring this in between, the masala starts getting dry and starts leaving a little oil from the sides. I have just added 3 green chilies into it. You can definitely increase the amount to make it a little more spicier too. Now this masala is cooked and it's time to add the veggies into it. So we'll add the diced brinjals, the full small white onions, and the chopped tomato. Give it all a mix and rinse the mixie jar with some water and add that too into this. So I'll just be adding a little more water too, say about a half a cup more water. Now we'll just give this a stir and let this veggies cook. Once it starts simmering, we'll just cover it and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Besides this veggies, you can also add potato into it. And don't forget to keep stirring this in between too. And then now after about 5 minutes, we'll be adding the fish into it. If the fish is too salty, you can just rinse the water and wash it once more. Then add it to this gravy. You can adjust the salt later once the fish is cooked and just add a little bit as this fish is already salty. Stir this now and you can just add in more water to adjust the consistency. I've just added 4 pieces of the fish. We can add more for this quantity of masala too. Now we let this simmer and let the fish cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. You can taste this now and adjust the salt too. I'm adding vinegar for the sourness. You can add lemon juice or tamarind juice too. Give it an all nice mix and let it boil once more. Now this fish curry is ready. The brinjals, onions and the fish, everything is cooked well. So wait no longer and serve this hot with some nice steamed rice. Most dry fish recipes are tried during the monsoon when there's shortage of fish. Do try this recipe and I'm sure you'll be making any time of the year. Thanks for watching and do try this recipe and leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Garfin's Creation. See you soon in the next video too. Till then, take care and bye-bye.